So today I'm going to find a place to rent, and this is the basement of the apartment where you park your motorbike. And yeah, this is the stairs up to the unit. More stairs. It's quite common to have very tight stairs in a corridor. First level and second level. This is a full tour of the place that I'm looking at. And yeah, just to let you know how is it like. So far I'm not very impressed. This looks like some budget hotel sleazy place. And this is the unit. I am okay. Someone is actually staying inside, but she's not in at the moment, so we are just going in. And this, I don't know, they just walk into the home with their shoes. It's so dirty. But yeah, this is the living room, a very cluttered living room, and straight into the bedroom. This is the king size bed with extremely limited sunlight despite the window. And try to open it up. Oh, you are looking at the streets, but it's actually covered by a roof. So this is the room, looks like a box. Reminds me of some very tight small homes in Hong Kong. And yeah, it's very basic. And you look out, it's just laundries and dirty ceiling and tiles outside. A very cluttered room. I don't think it's good feng shui. And ayo, and take a look at at the layout. It's a bit low as well. So oh my, I'm actually looking for a decent place, but this home actually make it very cluttered and horrifying. This is the fridge, and this is the bed. I don't know. I think it's okay. And this is the washing machine behind. Sorry, it's very hard to move things around. And this is the fridge. I'm a bit scared to open. Okay, this is provided. And then the fridge, okay. This is the water dispenser we usually buy. So this user don't usually use the washing machine, so it's quite clean. They hand wash, and this is like the stove top, like induction cook top. This is the toilet. Looks very basic, but I don't know. It just makes me feel yuck because of the tiles. It looks so not very clean. It's like it's not white but off white. If anything is off white, it's not just it's simply not clean. And what do you think about this home experience? Would you rent from this place? Would you stay here for long term? Let me know down below.